What's good, wealth builders? This the man, the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon, put in work. And today we're talking about how does Airbnb actually work. Let's go.
To say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's a basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.
Okay, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel, share this video with at least 5 to 10 people, you know what I'm saying, and enjoy these videos, you know what I'm saying, like the video, do all that good stuff, because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand. How does Airbnb actually work? Okay, so in my last Airbnb video, I talked about more or less starting an Airbnb business, basically using their platform. And now I want to talk about what Airbnb actually is, okay? You know, the platform, and a little smidgen about the background information on the company as a whole. Okay, so let's get into the Airbnb and what it really bees, what it bees. Airbnb is an online platform where hosts can list their spaces and guests can find accommodations, often in homestays. You know, the site is known for its unique options, offering housing in castles, tree houses, and tiny houses, among many other choices. Airbnb also offers in-person or online experiences, often hosted by a local, that are specific to the certain or the different types of areas. All right. Airbnb went public on December 10th, 2020 with the ticker symbol ABNB. On its opening day, the company's public offering price was $68 per share. And no, it's not a dividend-paying stock. Wonk, wonk, wonk. Airbnb offers a couple of service fee structures for hosting. These include options for hosts and guests to both pay services fees and as well as host-only fee, where the entire service fee is deducted from the host payout. Splitting the service fee with the guest is the most common option, with most hosts paying a 3% fee and guests paying under 14.2% of the booking subtotal. However, fee rates may increase in certain situations and certain areas. You know, the more vacation-y spots. Now, to become an Airbnb host, sign up on the company's website and create a listing for your space that includes some basic information, a description, and photos of the rental. When you're available to host, you'll need to establish your house rules and set your prices. Airbnb offers detailed resources on its website to help with the hosting process. It's pretty easy. A big portion of this information was pulled from thebalance.com. It's a great website, and you should check them out, along with my other website, thewealthbuilders.com. That's wealthbuilders.com. Check it out. Anyway, thanks for watching and subscribing and being a member of the Wealth Builder movement. If you want to learn how to build a solid income online, check out the wealthbuilderssystem.com. That's wealthbuilderswithaz system.com, and learn how to make more money, save more money, build a better you and business. Do remember, wealth builders, we make more, save more, build more. Peace.
Say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's a basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.